Welcome back. So we're on to section 10 of chapter 5, and we're going to look at a special kind of list, a list that's called a dictionary. Now, the way it differs from a normal list is the items come in pairs. So puffin has a key value of 104, sloth 105, and so on. So to really get our head around lists, let's go ahead and create one right now for our friends. So our friends, we may want to know their phone number. So we start off with their name. So we put in the curly brackets and we put in a name of a friend. So let's say Sean, and we put a semicolon like that. And we put in his phone number, 514-999-9999, and that is the phone number for Sean. Let's go on to another friend, and this friend will be called Peter. So we type Peter, and then a colon, and then we give him some other phone numbers. So a dictionary is just a list where the items come in pairs, and the second item is referred to as a key. So typically, the first item is the first component we know already, and we want to look something up like a phone number. So it could be friends' phone numbers, it could be addresses for clients, and so on. So in this section, what we're doing is we are printing out a key value for sloth, and we can see that the sloth pair right there, its key value is 105, and Burmese python, so the key value is 106. So to print it out, you specify the name of the dictionary and in brackets what you are looking